Assalamu alaikum. I'm Hiba from English Language Academy, Palestine. Today we have do the laundry. يا الله شو عنا غسيل كتير بسلة الغسيل. We have so much laundry in our laundry basket or laundry hamper. Do the laundry. Remember? Do plus a household chore means wash or clean. Do the laundry. Wash the laundry. Clean the laundry. طقطوقة. حط الغسيل جوا الغسالة. We have two ways to say this. Put the laundry into the washer or washing machine. Or load the laundry into the washer or washing machine. And when it's all done, خلاص جاهز الغسلة كل شيء تمام. ريما شيل الغسيل من الغسالة. Unload the washing machine. ريما unload the washing machine. I'm in the laundry room now, and here you can see the laundry basket and you can see the washer or the washing machine. So I'm gonna load the washing machine and unload the washer. But before loading the laundry, we usually split our laundry. You can ask your daughter or your son to split the laundry into whites, lights, darks, or colors. So I'm gonna load the whites, load, washing detergent. We use this word when we talk about the soap. We put it into the washer. We need to put the laundry soap. It might be liquid or powdered. Sometimes we need bleach to clean more, and sometimes we need a stain remover. Unload. When it's all done, خلاص كله جاهز الغسيل جاهز. Okay, now we need to dry the clothes. كيف بده ينجف الغسيل؟ We have many options to dry the clothes. انشر الغسيلات برا على الحبل. Hang the laundry out on the clothesline. Clothesline is a rope to hang the clothes on it. Yeah, and we might have a drying rack or laundry rack. And these days, it's most common to use the dryers. Dryer. لا والله في ناس عندهم نشافة وعايشين. خذي هالغسيلات شيليهم من الغسالة وحطيهم بالنشافة أريح. Unload the washer and put the laundry into the dryer. اطوي الغسيل وضبيه. Fold the laundry and put it away. Remember, put the dishes away. ضب الجلي. Put the food away. ضب الأكل. Put away. Put away. ضبي. So put them away. Fold the laundry. Put it away in the wardrobe or maybe in the drawers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. ولا ننسى لايك للفيديو لتعم الفائدة على الصغير وحتى الكبير. السلام عليكم.